are going to talk about borrowed chords. Borrowed chords are a ton of fun because you get to break the rules a little bit. They are chords that exist outside of a given key. So in this first example that we're going to check out, we're going to see that by changing the chord quality, you can make it a borrowed chord. So let's say, for example, we have a chord progression that is major 1, minor 2, major 4, and major 5. Those are all scales and qualities that are within the key of C major. So let's just listen to that one more time. We've got 1, minor 2, major 4, major 5. So let's try something a little different here. Let's take the minor 2 and make it major. So that's technically a borrowed chord. It's a different chord quality from the key of C major. Check this out. We've got 1, major 2, major 4, major 5. Again, major 1, major 2, major 4, major 5. Let's keep going. Let's get weirder. Let's take that 4 and make it minor. I love the minor 4. So we're going to keep that major 2 as well. So check this out. We've got 1, major 2, minor 4, 5. Nice. In this example for borrowed chords, we're going to talk about shifting our scale degrees ever so slightly. So let's say, for example, we're in the key of C. We're going to start on 1. We're going to go to a minor 6 to a major 5. So let's listen to what that sounds like. Now, what if we shift our 6 to a flat 6? So that's in between 5 and 6. And I'm going to make that one major instead. Okay, so we've got 1, flat 6, 5. Sounds totally different. Here, check it out. So that's a very punk sort of chord progression. Using that flat 6 is a pretty good trick to have. It's funny, as I was playing that, it even affected the way that I was strumming and playing it. Just hearing the flat 6 made me kind of play it more aggressively. So that could be really interesting, how just by using a borrowed chord, you've changed the mood entirely. It's pretty cool.